Welcome to our channel. Activating a prepaid card at GameStop is easy and allows you to start using it right away for purchases. Here's what you need to do. Step 1. Purchase a prepaid card at any GameStop location. These cards are typically displayed near the checkout counter or in the gift card section. Step 2. Take your prepaid card to the cashier to complete the purchase. You'll need to pay the amount you want loaded onto the card plus any activation fees. Step 3. The cashier will scan the prepaid card at the register. This step initiates the activation process for your card. Step 4. Pay for your prepaid card using cash, credit card, or debit card. Keep your receipt as proof of purchase and for reference. Step 5. Wait for the cashier to complete the activation. They may ask you to sign the receipt or verify the amount loaded onto the card. Step 6. Check the receipt to confirm the activation was successful. The receipt should show the card number, amount loaded, and activation confirmation. Step 7. Sign the back of your prepaid card immediately for security. This helps protect the card if it's lost or stolen. Step 8. Test your card by making a small purchase or checking the balance online. Visit the card issuer's website or call the customer service number on the back of the card to verify your balance. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.